Hello dear Zoom Auto family. So, Tesla is finally doing what we all hope for, bringing electric cars to the common people like you and me. But wait, is this new Tesla Model 2 really launching in 2025? Or is it just one of those internet hype trains? Well, today I'll break it down in simple words. No tech jargon, just the facts, the timeline, and what Elon has planned. Let's roll. See, Tesla rocked the world with the Model S, Model 3, and Model Y, no doubt. But let's be honest, not all of us can drop 40, 50 grand on a car, right? So here comes the hero of the story. Tesla Model 2, a budget-friendly EV expected to cost around $25,000. Now that's something even middle-class folks can dream of. Back in 2021, Elon dropped hints, said they're working on a new compact electric car. By 2023, things got spicy. Rumors started flying. Production could begin in mid-2025. Some folks even called it Project Redwood. Sounds like a Marvel movie villain, right? But nah, it's Tesla's game plan to take on those budget EVs from China. Now hold up. 2024 brought some drama. Reuters said Tesla canceled the project. But our boy Elon quickly replied, nope, we're still on track. I mean, with Elon, you never know what's real. But hey, he seems serious this time. I'll fast forward to 2025, and here's what's cooking. Tesla is upgrading its Mexico and Shanghai factories. All signs point to the Model 2 being real. Production might start end of this year, and if all goes well, deliveries by 2026. So yes, this time, it's not just hype, it's happening. Slowly but surely. Now let's talk about the design. And oh boy, this one looks clean. The Model 2 will likely be a compact hatchback or small sedan, perfect for city folks. Simple interior, big touchscreen in the center, autopilot features, and a driving range of about 250 to 300 kilometers. All that for just $25,000. Man, that's wild. You know why Tesla's doing this. Because China's budget EVs are eating the market. BYD Dolphin, Wuling Mini EV, they're everywhere. Tesla doesn't want to be left behind. They're going global. Affordable EVs for every garage. Now the big question, should you wait for the Model 2? If you need a car right now, check out the new Model 3 or something like Hyundai's or Tata's budget EVs. But if you can wait a year or two and want a proper Tesla at half the usual price, then hold on tight, friend. So what do you think? Will Tesla's $25,000 Model 2 change the world like the Model 3 did? Would you buy it or still not convinced? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to read what you all think. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, learned something new, or even smiled a little, please hit that like button, smash subscribe, and share it with your car-loving friends. Your support means the world to us here at Zoom Auto. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and stay awesome. Take care, and I'll see you in the next ride.